Hey guys, welcome to Ruel Shop. Oh, what a player! Okay, so just move this Belgium computer.
Yes, I'm also going to do it because
So
I'm
now,
going to guide him.
so now Xbox.
By the way, I'm Alicia from Alicia Steve.
By the way,
Don't forget to subscribe from his channel and subscribe from my
because if you don't,
channel. Doing the notification squad.
wait. Oh, oh, where's my computer? Okay, here's our computer. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here's our computer, and we're gonna create another. Where is it? So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, is it? So that's the computer. Now now we will show you how to make it. Hey. So first you need to add two block of a 2 by 3 block of quartz, and then put at the middle a block of quartz, and then now put the black wool over here, and then now put and then now
Nag-jacket ka na daw doon.
Zurele. Did you speak in Filipino? Oh. So actually we have the item frame, and then now we need to put the corridor over there like that. So and then now
Si RC dapat.
now let's add the PC, because the PC is the PC. And I just make it an anvil, and then just make here a lever, and then good.
What's that? Is that an anvil?
Yeah, there we go. Oh, the name. Okay, I don't know. That is the computer, and it's actually simple. As you can see, it's the same.
But it could be nicer if you use version 1.1.
But this is 16.2
So
because
guys, I've got the 1.1.
and I get to 16.2. Well, subscribe to my video. Bye bye. Tunes up and subscribe.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.